Alright everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Now in today's video we've got a very exciting one because we are finally fitting a Maxton design front splitter to this BMW 118i. It has been needed for ever since I bought it. I feel like these things seriously change the front end. So we're going to be getting it in, and we're going to be doing it by only using a drill and stuff that I found around my garden. So this is just going to prove that anyone can do it at home. So yeah, let's get it in the garage, get it on some blocks, and we'll stop. And this is now ready to go on. So what we're going to do is hold either side, and the way you do it is basically you judge it off the end of the splitter goes to the end of that, so it's actually really easy to centralise it. Okay, so we've got one screw in either side at the moment, and already that looks insane. The middle bit is sagging down a bit. So as you can see, we've got one screw in there, and it all lines up perfectly as well. And one other screw in there. So at the moment we just got one screw, but these are the screws that you want, 4.8 by 22, and they're self-screwing screws. They're like £7 for a pack of 100. But yeah, that is going to look insane. Okay, little update, just to be getting used to it really, putting the screws in. We've done this side really, this left side we've done. And you can see underneath, we've just put screws like everywhere to hold it in. And from the top you can't see anything, like it looks all decent, and it's taken a little bit just to line it up so it's perfect either side. But as you can see, that is perfectly central, and we just got this side to do now under here, and then it will be on. Okay, I think we've actually done it. We've screwed it all in, and the process is pretty easy once you've got it all lined up. But the hardest bit is just getting it lined up, and you can see we went to town with the screws all the way, but it is fitted in perfectly the whole way around. But I'm debating whether I'll keep this or not, because it is like, it's not completely fully the way out, so it's like half in, half out. So I don't know if I'll keep that or not, but I think I will. It looks decent, but yeah, I'll definitely recommend at least 2 people or 3 to help you do this. But that, yeah, let's get it off these little blocks and see what it looks like. Alright, it is the next day. I wanted to wait till it was sunny for you guys to see this, because it has completely changed this car, and it is the front of it now, just it's finished off so nicely. I've got a few more bits coming for the front just to gloss black everything, but the splitter is on and it's complete and it looks insane. So without further ado, here it is. Ignore what is going on over there and what is going on up here, but this car is now transformed. I literally can't, when I look at this car now, when I walk away, you know, I just think that is next level. It looks like a bloody race car, mate. Look at it. That thing is stupid. I mean, it is like 100 and, I think it was either 150 or 170 quid, I can't remember, but it is very overpriced bit of plastic. But look at the way it sits now. That is, oh my god, every time I just, like, you know, pretend I'm walking away. Look at it. We've got one more thing to do now, and that is go for a drive to see if this thing stays on. Mate, why are you doing that? We've got to see if this thing is up for the challenge, mate. We've got to see if this gives us intense downforce through corners, and to see if it actually stays on, because it could just fall off straight away. But hopefully I've done a good job and it stays on when we're going motorway speeds. But yeah, let's hop in the car, go for a spin, and yeah, let's see if it stays on. I'm sorry, but this angle, Look at that, mate. That is, I need the side skirts along there now. It needs the side skirts along there, but that, whoa, that is, Jesus Christ. Look at it, mate. Let's put the seatbelt on. Let me quickly, ignition, windows down. Beautiful. We also have super fuel in this because I wanted just to put some super fuel in it so it has a nice flush through, and if there's any gunk in it, it just flushes it through and it's nice and clean. So the engine is running smoothly. So we should have some extra horsepower now, and yeah, let's see if that makes a difference, mate. We'll be able to accelerate hard to see if this thing falls off underneath us. But yeah, let's go. I'm also hoping, I forgot about this, but I'm hoping it gets over speed humps just okay. It should do, it's not that low. See if this thing makes any difference in the corners as well, you know, downforce and all that. Do you reckon it does? I don't, I reckon it should make my car slower, increasing the drag. Alright, let's take it out of Eco Pro, into Sport Plus. Does feel like a quick car, but as soon as you get to a dual carriageway, it doesn't feel quick. But this, it feels so nice. God, it feels quick, mate. This fuel that I've put in, I don't know if it's just a mental thing or it genuinely is quicker, but it feels quick, mate. What the hell? This thing feels fast. Down into second, give it a rev, out the corner, way, big lorry. Oh, bloody hell, this fuel, mate, it's actually done bits. I might fill it up with this stuff more often. God, this thing is flying. Bang, into four. It's such a fun car, it's been put together so nicely. And that front splitter, mate, whoa. Feels like a Ferrari, the front end of this thing, mate. It goes darts in. Made a massive difference, but oh, we're back from our drive and the guy's still going at it on his hedge, so it must be a pretty big hedge, but the moment of truth, and that is whether the splitter is still on. And of course it's on, mate. I'm a bloody mechanic, alright? Don't ever doubt me, mate. I am actually, that is actually sick. I'm not gonna lie, that is actually sick. It has stayed on and survived. And if I show you underneath, if you can see? Screws, yes, they're still in. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this video and the front splitter. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you not? Would you have it? Would you not? But I think it's one of the best ones we've done so far. That and the exhaust are the top two best mods. They're the most expensive, so of course they're going to be the best, but that, I am so pleased with the way that has turned out. But yeah, I think it's the side skirts next. But real quick, what I want to do also is, on the way I've ordered some, as you can see, these are satin black at the moment. I've ordered the same ones in gloss black. These were meant to be gloss black when I ordered them, but I must have either read it wrong or they sent out the wrong ones and they came satin black. I decided just to put them on anyway, but I've got the gloss black ones of these to match the gloss black splitter, and I've also got some gloss black mirrors coming as well, because I'm not 100% on the fake carbon, but we can always keep these and swap them around depending on what we like. So yeah, and satin black wheels. I don't know what to do with these, whether I gloss them black or or I make them gloss black, or I buy a new set. I'm not sure yet on that, but I definitely want to make it gloss black, because the gloss black against the white just looks so good. But yeah, this thing is sitting nicely now. Overall, the car is looking as good as it ever has. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe down below, and hopefully you learned something out of this as well, because I certainly did. I know how to fit one of these now, because I struggled to find many videos online which actually explain how to do it, so hopefully you've learned something. But like and subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.